shoes. I don't like boots, so I'm gonna get shoes. I get these ones. Very light, very comfortable. Yeah, I think that will be it. They don't have the one that I had before, which I did like. They haven't got my size, so probably get these ones. New shoe day. Sorted.
That man have two different sides. $720 to work with.
720, yeah.
Yeah, let's go and pay for that.
Cool.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so this is the end of our day. We managed to get probably 75% of the insulation installed, or maybe a bit more than that actually. We had 15 sheets and we've done about 12. So we've just got this window wall here to do, a little bit more battening to do here, one batten here, a few little bits underneath the window. We've started this wall from behind the door. One more panel to go in here. We did the main wall at the back, we did the other big wall, and we've done probably 2/3 of the ceiling as well. You can see where all the downlighters are going to be now. Starting to take some shape of the layout. So we just got a few more downlights to do. We did run out of 1.5 mil, so we'll pick up some tomorrow and continue that. We did all the sockets. As you can see, here's one here on this wall. So we've got 2 on this wall here, and we've also got 2 on this wall here as well. And there's going to be 1 on this wall here. The light switches are also on this wall as well, 1 for inside and 1 for an external light. So tomorrow we will continue the rest of this installation and also get the vapor barrier installed, and then we'll be ready for plasterboarding. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video today. Let us know what you think, and we see you tomorrow.